right, so can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, by the way, I am Teacher Seal from the Philippines, and you are?
I am a melody.
Wow, Melody, nice name. Beautiful as you, Melody.
Thank
Uh,
you.
okay, so how are you today, Melody?
I am good.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so Melody. Okay, so before we will start our discussion, because this is the first time we have met, I wanted to know whether your reaction ability is fast or not. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's good. So if teacher Seal will say, point your finger up, you will point your finger like this. Oh, where's my finger? Okay? Where's my finger? Okay. So if teachers say that point your finger down, you will point your finger like this. Okay, so can you do it? Okay, so up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, can you try it? Okay, that's great. So, how about if teacher Seal will say, we will have our reverse manner, or we will make it into reverse. So, if teacher will say, point your finger up, you will finger like this. So, this will be happen. Look, my finger. This will be up. Okay. And if I will say, point your finger down, your finger will be like this.
Up, down.
Okay. Okay. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right. So let's start our discussion now, Melody. Okay? All right, so
Okay.
welcome to the Pawfish Adventure. So our topic is all about understanding division. So we have the three little baby animals here. So the tiger's name is Tan. The squirrel
Down.
name is Pie, right?
Down.
And the rabbit's name is, what is the name of the rabbit?
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, right? Okay, Python and yeah. Okay, so as you can see, we
Down
have,
and yeah.
yeah, we have another one here. So this is our grandma sheep. Okay, this is our grandma sheep. So this time, can you say hello to them? Hello.
Hello.
Okay, let's proceed now, Melody. Okay, so as you can see here, while exploring the forest, the three little ones accidentally obtained a bag of sunflower seeds. And everyone here decided to reclaim the land and plant the seeds. After a while, they will be able to see sunflowers, and everyone worked together to reclaim the land finally. Okay, so as you can see, look at Melody. Tan took out the seeds and look at the four plots in the contemplation.
Yeah.
Okay, so how many seeds were sowed in each plot? So let's find out. Okay, so we are now in the knowledge point one. So as you can see, we have the many numbers of seeds here. But before we will start, let's analyze first our question. So the question is, divide the 12 seeds equally among four plots. So how many seeds are planted in each plot? So this time, how are we going to answer this one? Okay, so listen it first, baby Melody. So when we say equally or equal, that is what is equals or the other term of equal. That is the same. So when we say the same, we have okay, so we have the total or the same total from here, 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 here. So it should be the same. So this time, Melody, can you drag the seeds according to their plats? Okay. All right. All right. Ah, very good. Very good.
对啊，
哦，这个我知道了。
总共有几
Okay.
个本？
六
没有啊，
六
四个啊，
六加六，
Oh,
不是6加
where is
6啊。
the answer?
这里总共有几个？
Okay, so we have